Welcome, my dear students. It's nice to meet you today. Today, it's final revision. Do you know what this means? It means you must arrive to target. It helps you to arrive to your target. Are you ready to arrive to your target? I think, yeah. Let's see and start. The first question, as you see, writes down the scientific concept expressed as. The first question, when I say galvanic cells in which is stored the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy through reversible oxidation and reduction reaction. Do you know what this means? Yes, we know. It's a secondary cell. Now, when I say the chemical decomposition of an electrolyte due to the effect of passing an electric current through it, what this do you think? Yeah, we catch the answer, electrolysis. You catch it and know it by this word, electrolyte, electrolysis. At the same time, when I say, how can you distinguish practically between the solution of ammonium thiocyanate and ammonium hydroxide? Oh, distinguish. Distinguish here, you must make a table. This table, as you see, 3 sections. The first one, point of comparison. Second, ammonium thiocyanate. Third one, about ammonium hydroxide. Now, how can I distinguish between them? I add what? 3 chloride to each of them. Do you think what will it change here? Sure, we know the color will be changed as you see. The first one, thiocyanate, gives blood red color. Ammonium hydroxide, I know, reddish precipitate is formed. This is the difference between them. Concentrate for the colors. After that, choose the correct answer. Take care, my dear students. Choose here, you must answer this. It's a problem, yeah. If the concentration of the weak alkaline solution equal 0.2 molar and the equilibrium constant Kb is 3.6 pi 10 power negative 4. Now, the pOH value of this solution equal what? I choose anything? No. Read and answer the first. 1.70 or 4.07 or 3.02 or 2.07. To answer this, answer as a steps after that. In draft, you remember, you have a paper for draft. Answer and find the answer directly. 2.07. My dear, what about this question? This part show by equation how can you get a compound containing, concentrate for this, C double bond O. Do you know what this means? It means, yes, it's ketone, you remember? And another one, group of the compound containing CHOH, it's alcohol. Yes, we know. Oh, how can I find this? It's easy. Look at this. You have now CH3, CH3, this is the bonds, and HOH, this is the alcohol. I can change this alcohol into C double bond O ketone. Yes, I do. Help by KMNO4, potassium permanganate. It means oxidation in the presence of what? Take care. You have a sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Directly, the answer will be good. CH3 connected by the carbon, double bond O, acetone. Yes, you remember from alcohol to find acetone. It's good. By what? By oxidation. The main factor, potassium permanganate. Now, water. Yeah, the other part. Catch this question now. When I tell you, give reason for. Give reason. The first one, the standard potential of the hydrogen electrode may shift from 0. Oh, do you know what this means? Yes, I can find the answer due to change So the concentration of the hydrogen ion, concentration in the solution, or changing in partial pressure of the hydrogen gas, or both. This is important. Take your time. We need a full mark all time. Concentrate for this. Now, what about to get shown by equations? How can you obtain? This is a type of preparation. Look at this. When I say benzene sulfonic acid from ethane, how can I do? Benzene from the ethane? Yes, I start with the ethane. Look at this. The ethane, 3C2H2. You remember what this means? Good. Acetylene. Now, in presence of hot nickel tube. This hot nickel tube give me, benzene ring. Oh, what is the sulfonation? Not yet. Sulfonation, it means use sulfuric acid. I get a benzene and I add sulfuric acid, H2SO4. What is the result in this case? This give me, look, benzene ring and the group of SO3H by, yes, good, H2O water. It means we remove water from this. You have now your answer. Balance it. Take care. Another question, when I ask you, how can you obtain 1,1 dibromoethane from ethane? Oh, 1,1 dibromoethane. Yes, it's easy. Start with the ethane now. C bond H, C bond H, all of them connected by 3 bonds. Yes, it's acetylene, the same. This is the ethane. Now I add HBr, hydrogen bromide. What it will be for this case? Now I can see the bond is broken and form C, double bond C. The first C, the first carbon contain 2 hydrogen. The second carbon contain hydrogen and bromide. This, your answer, 1,1? No. The other one, I break down the other bond, as you see. C, double bond, C, H, HBr. What happened? More HBr here, breaking down this double bond, change into single bond. What it will be? CH3, CHHH, CHBr. Yes, it's good. This, it means 1,1 dibromoethane. It's very good to obtain this. This is happened by what? Breaking down the bond. Triple bond will be double. Double bond will be single. This is the preparation. Now, catch this question. This question is very easy. Show by equation how can you obtain iron 3 oxide from what? From siderite. Siderite. Yes, we studied siderite many times. Siderite here, it means iron carbonate, FeCO3. By heating, what it will be? Will be good, FeO and carbon dioxide gas evolved. This iron 3? No, this is iron 2 oxide. Where is iron 3? Iron 3 here, FeO by more of oxygen. Give us what? By heating also. Give us what? 2, Fe2O3. Iron 3 oxide. From where? From siderite. Important equation. Catch this also. You have a problem. Assemble crystals of the hydrated ion sulfate, iron 2 sulfate, FeSO4 dot X H2O. I have here what? I have X. X what? Number of the molecules of the water having mass. What its mass? 5.41 grams. Is heating. What else? Its mass becomes 3.25 grams. This is the change for the mass of the sample. What else? He say, calculate the number of the water molecules of crystallization X. This all? No, you have something. H, its atomic mass, O equal 16, H equal 1, S equal 32, Fe 56. How can you answer this? Has many different methods for the answer. This is one by them. You must know the mass of crystallization of the water in the sample. What happened? I make the difference subtract between the two masses. 5.41 minus 3.25. The difference between the two masses will give me what? Will give us the mass of the water will be 2.6 grams. What else? Nothing. It's very easy now. Divide number of the moles. Divide your paper into section. One for the water, one for the salt. Water and salt. After that, add the mass of the water, 2.16. What about the salt? We know it, 3.25. What you do now? Calculate. The molar mass of the water will be 18. The molar mass of the salt will be 152. Make a division between them. The division for this will be 0.12, the other 0.02. This ratio, yes, I can catch the ratio. Now get rid of this point. It will be, as you see, number of the moles, 6 to 1. 6 water molecule and 1 of the salt. Oh, formula. Yes, formula will be in this type. Look, the first FeSO4 dot 6 H2O. You ask me what this 6 means. The replacing by X. X, it means number of the moles of the water. So I replace this X by this number 6. It's easy to catch this problem. What about to get this question? This question about writes down scientific concept that is expressed as concept, yes, as a terms. Look, the first one, when I say at constant temperature, the rate of the chemical reaction is directly proportional to the product of the reactant's concentration. You remember what this means? Yes, we know. Law of mass action. Another question, when you say molecules which have a kinetic energy that equal or exceeds the activation energy. The answer you can find in the question. He say molecule and the activation energy. Do you know what this means? Yes, activated molecules. I catch the answer from the question, molecules and activation. Choose to answer A or B. Show by equation. Do you know what these questions mean? Yes, it means you have many points A and B. Choose one only for the answer. But here now, we'll answer both. The first one, when I say heating iron 3 hydroxide. Iron 3 hydroxide, we know it. Fe2, FeOH by 3, higher than 200 temperature here, more than 200. What it will be? Will be Fe2O3 and water vapor evolved 3H2O. After that, you have B question, heating iron oxalate in the absence of air. Now, what you have? You have COO, FeCOO. Oh yeah, we know it. This it means the oxalate of the air. One oxygen only in the absence of the air travel to air will be FeO. What about CO? What about CO2? Will be carbon monoxide, will be carbon dioxide. You see, this is heating question, very important question. Don't forget, heating directly concentrate for these questions. My lover, what about when I get this question as choose what? A or B? Yes, using the reagent of the group, show by equation how to detect. The other question for detection, yes, we know. You remember when I say calcium ion. Only, oh yeah, we know it. Calcium ion, CaCl2. This it means the salt of the calcium, calcium chloride. What you add? You add here ammonium carbonate. Good. Do you think what happened? Double substitution. It's very easy. Double substitution reaction. The calcium directly will fly to the carbonate and form calcium carbonate, and the gas evolved with white clouds into NH4Cl of ammonium chloride. Formation of what precipitated what? Calcium carbonate. This is detecting of what? Of the ion of the calcium for its salt. At the same time, when I say phosphate ion, phosphate, I must get its salt also. Sodium phosphate, Na3PO4. What happened? Add barium chloride. You remember, this is we used for differentiation between phosphate group and sulfate group. Don't forget. But I need, what I put the reagent? The reagent here, barium chloride. Now, my level will be barium phosphate, the white precipitate, you remember? And also form sodium chloride, 6 molecules of sodium chloride. Easy to know this reagent. What about this question? Mention one use for Fehling solution. Fehling solution, yeah. You remember when we studied for detecting glucose sugar? Yeah. So I can say for this case is used to detect glucose in which blue color it changed into what? It changed into orange. Do you know what this means? It means the testing of glucose sugar. Important question and easy. My dear, when I get this question about choose the correct answer, this must be concentrate. It's a difficult question. When I say the chemical name of compound DDT, DDT is what? The first, dichloro, diphenyl trichloroethane, or trichloro, triphenyl 1-dimethane, dichloromethane, or dichloro, diphenyl trichloromethane, or trichloro, triphenyl dichloroethane, DDT. It means here dichloro, biphenyl trichloroethane. The answer number 1. You look at this, it's very important. Concentrate for the question. Another question, when I say hydrobromic acid, HBr, you remember, react with propene. The product is. This it means don't answer this question without equation. Look, my lover, 1,1-dibromopropene or 1,2-dibromopropene or 2-bromopropane or 1-bromopropane. Now, what you have? Good. We can say 2-bromopropane. Easy question and important. Equation help me to find this answer. Look, write down the equation of hydrolysis of sodium acetate. Sodium acetate, you remember? CH3COONA. This sodium acetate. Hydrolysis here, it means adding water. Do you know what happened for this case? Yes, will be acetic acid. CH3COOH. And what this? Sodium ion? Yes, I know. Sodium ion will stay. And also hydroxide ion. This it means what? It means sodium is a strong alkali, strong basic. So it electrolyzes. So give me what? Sodium ion and OH. It means basic solution. Easy one. Another question. The standard oxidation potential of the four elements are Cu positive 2 equal 0.34 volts. ClCl equal 1.36 volts. Na positive 1 equal 2.70 volts. And Br equal what? Equal negative 1.07 volt. What do you mean? What do you want? I need the first, find the greatest value of the electromotive force. Greatest value, the highest number that can be obtained by a cell. Also, electrodes are made of the two of these elements. What do you need also? Second one, I need to write down the diagram that represents the cell that gives the greatest electromotive force. Oh, it's 2 steps. Yes, I answered as 2 steps. The first one, the greatest electromotive force, yes, equal what? I can say equal oxidation potential of the anode plus what? Plus oxidation potential of the another one will be what? 2.7 plus the highest one also 1.36. The result will be 4.06 volts. This is the greatest numbers of electromotive force. Can you write the equation? Yes, it's very easy. 2Na positive, 2Cl negative Cl2. This about what? This about the greatest electromotive force. My dear, what about to catch this question? Oh, it's a long one. Yes, it's long, but it's easy for its answer if you concentrate. An ester A has a molecular formula CH3COOC6H5. This is the ester. Yes. What do you need? Write down the structure formula of another ester B have the same molecular formula. I need another one by the same molecular formula. Then write down the equation of the analysis of this ester B. Oh, what you do? Nothing. It's very easy. Now I say ester, the molecular formula of the ester B can be as, oh, this, yes, C double bond O connected by the benzene ring, C6H5. O equal, for the other one, CH3, C by 3 bonds H. This is the other ester by the same what? By the same molecular formula. Concentrate for this question. What about this? I can change it? Yeah, this is the ester for the other one which I presented. By ammonia, I need ammonolysis. It means I add NH3, ammonia gas. What happened now? It will be benzene ring, C6H5 connected by C double bond O connected by NH3. What happened? Plus CH3OH. Do you know what it will be? It's new ammonolysis. My lover, what about to show by equations how can you obtain ethanol from methane? Ethanol, yes, ethanol. 2CH4, this is methane. By, 1500 degree rapid cooling. Do you know what it will be? It will be C2H2. You remember what this means? Yes, we know. This what? This is acetylene. Oh, what is ethanol? Hydrogen gas evolved. Ethanol, yeah, it's very easy. Get this acetylene and add the water. In the sulfuric acid, H2SO4, 40 HgSO4, 60%. Yes, give me ethanol, CH3CHO. It means ethanol or acetaldehyde. Important question. Oh, what happened? Don't forget, when you change the formula of C2H2 into structure formula, triple bond, not double bond. This is important for you. What about to get this question? Write down the chemical name of the compound that is described by statement. I give you statement and tell me what is the name of this compound. The first statement, an organic compound from heating ammonium cyanide. Do you think what this means? Organic from inorganic? Yes, we know it's urea. You remember for the vola. Another one, halogenated organic compound used in dry cleaning. Oh yeah, it's easy. 1 1 3 1 1 1 1 trichloroethane, halogenetic organic. Another one, when I ask you, give reason for. This question important. Qualitative analysis for a substance should be carried out first before making quantitative. Qualitative the first, then quantitative. Why? We can say to identify the components of the compound to be able to choose the what? The apparatus of the quantitative methods for the analysis. It's very important. Another question, ship chases are connected to magnesium rod. Oh, magnesium. Why for the ships? I say, yeah, it's very important. Magnesium act as what? It's clarifying electrode. Why? That protect iron from corrosion. You remember? It's important to know this protection from the corrosion. The other question or the other answer for the second question can be as to form galvanic cell. Yes, can be. Yes, in which iron act as a cathode and at the same time magnesium act as anode. Anode and the cathode as anode, so magnesium is corroded. This is very important. You have to answer. Can I write in the exam the two answers? Why not? It's okay. If you have a space, write or and write the second answer. No problem for this. Another question, when I say the element of the first transition series are used in making alloy. First transitions for the alloy, yes, we know. I can say because their atomic radii are nearly the same. A little change in atomic radii through the series. Now, we arrived to the end of this revision. You understand it? I hope that, my dear, concentrate for each part, each question you have. Draw, yes, you can draw. Don't forget to add label for this drawing. I hope to arrive to your target. It's important. My dear, thank you and goodbye.